After so many years, I'm finally back.
It's the real world. It's the real world. It's the real world. It's the It's the real world. It's the real
1, 2, 3, go na ba? Step 1.
It's the real
Sabi ng mga tao, brewed coffee daw yan. Mali yan, brewed yan eh.
It's the real
Tell me that the man of my dreams.
It's the real world. It's the Take me back.
Parang di pantay. Pantay ka ba? Ay, okay. Ha? After, it's been a while, no? Ever since na, it's been a while nung nag-upload ako. It's been 3 years ba? 3 years ago pa ba? Is it been 3 years since I last uploaded? Oh, 3 years ata. It's been 3 years and I am finally back. I am finally back from the dead. Well, hindi ako yung namatay. Yung channel ko yung namatay. My channel is back from the dead and I am back. So ano na ba yung next sa YouTube channel ko? To be honest, wala akong alam. Di ko alam kung ano yung gagawin ko next sa YouTube channel ko. Either, well, may possibility na gagawa ulit ako ng mga vlog kasama yung mga pinsan ko. Meron din part na gagawa ko ng mga gaming videos, mga horror games kasama yung mga pinsan ko. And may pwede rin ako makagawa ng mga ibang games, Minecraft, ganun. Pero yun nga, I'm back. And yun lang.